Hi everyone, today our topic about tangents and secants to a circle, exercise 9.2, first section. Choose the correct answer and give justification for each. First one, the angle between a tangent to a circle and the radius drawn at the point of contact is. The relation between radius and tangent, we all of you know and learn, that is angle is 90 degrees, right angle 90 degrees. Okay, next second one. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. Q, a point exterior of the circle, and the distance between, see, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. Already given length of the tangent is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Okay, now asked us to find the radius of the circle is. Here hypotenuse we know, base side also we know. Asked to find the perpendicular side. Using this diagram we can solve the answer easily. See, these all the steps what given in the problem, same as it is. You copy center O, length of the tangent PQ or OQ, how like you write, both are same, 24 centimeter. The distance from point Q to center O is 25 centimeter. Hypotenuse OQ is equal to 25 centimeter. And radius OP, the perpendicular side, don't know. QPO is a right angle triangle and QPO at point P angle is 90 degrees. Now OQ square is equal to QP square plus PO square, Pythagoras theorem. Which value we don't know, PO value we don't know. So write PO left hand side as a subject. Okay, PO square is equal to OQ square minus PQ square. PO square equal to 25 square minus 24 square. 25 into 25 times 625 minus 24. 24s are 576. Their difference is 49. PO square equal to 49. PO equal to square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Okay. First section, first one, second one completed. Now third one. If AP and AQ are the two tangents, AP, AQ, two tangents, a circle with center O, so that P here, POQ 110 degrees, then PAQ how much? Generally, when you do more times mathematics, then easily can say that these two opposite angles sum is 180 degrees. If this is 110 degrees, then automatically this one is 70 degrees. Okay, but simplification method, how we can solve means, see, APOQ, this is look like a quadrilateral. In any quadrilateral, the sum of all angles is 360 degrees. We all of you know that angle P and angle Q are 90 degrees. 90, 90, 180 and 110, 290 degrees. Then remaining 360 minus 290 is 70 degrees. Okay. Next, fourth one. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degrees, then POA, this angle. How much POA is equal to POA, this angle, asked us to find. Given in the problem 80 degrees, APB 80 degrees. In before problem I told you opposite angles are their sum is 180 degrees. If this is 80 degrees, then automatically this angle is 100 degrees. Then there are two same parts now. If sum of two parts 100 degrees, then one part is 50 degrees. Otherwise we can do in simplification method also. If you draw a line to opposite O to P, then PAO and PBO, these two triangles are similar to each other because this common point P 80 degrees means this side 40 degrees, this side 40 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Then automatically third angle also equal. In this way also we can solve. There are many methods to solve the answer. Okay. Now next fifth one. In the figure xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. Center O, xy and x dash y dash two parallel lines for center O circle, and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Then AOB how much? Without calculation, for some problems we can give the answer easily. Observe carefully. Here 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, this one also 90 degrees. Okay. OC is radius, OE also radius. This AB line perpendicular to XY line. This AB line perpendicular to X dash Y dash line. So OC OE how much the length had, automatically OC equal to EA, OE equal to AC. These all four sides are equal and their angle is 90 degrees. Then this is a square. In a square, each angle is 90 degrees. In a square, diagonals are bisecting each other and their diagonals angles also equal 90 degrees, two parts 45. Then this angle is 45 degrees, this angle is 45 degrees. 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. Thank you so much. Watch my full video and subscribe my channel. Share to your friends. Thank you so much.